Okay, so picture this. I'm at a coffee shop in London, right? And I'm trying to sound super polite and fancy. So I say to the barista, "Excuse me, can I have a small chicken?" And everyone just stares at me. Dead silence. I meant to say kitchen. No, wait. I meant latte, a small latte. But instead, I ordered a small chicken at a coffee shop. Max, I wanted to disappear forever that day.
A small chicken. That's amazing. But hey, you know what? That barista probably still remembers you. You made their day interesting. And here's the thing. That mistake, it didn't hurt you. It actually helped you learn. Because I bet you never mixed up those words again, right?
Never. I say latte perfectly now, every single time.
Exactly. And that's what today's episode is all about. We're going to show you why mistakes are actually your best friends when learning English. So if you've ever felt embarrassed, nervous, or scared to speak English because you might mess up, stay with us. Because by the end of this episode, you're going to feel totally different about making mistakes.
You're going to feel free. Let's do this.
Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Always amazing. Max, you're too kind. Hey everyone, we're so happy you're here today. Whether you're listening on your morning walk, during your commute, or just relaxing at home, welcome.
Today, we're talking about something super important, something that stops so many English learners from getting better, and that thing is fear. Fear of mistakes.
Oh, this is a big one. So many people tell us, "I understand English, but I'm too scared to speak," or "I don't want to sound stupid." Does that sound like you?
If it does, don't worry, you're not alone. Almost every English learner feels this way at some point. But here's the truth. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are actually your friends, your teachers, your coaches.
Yes. And today, we're going to prove that to you. By the end of this episode, you'll have a totally new mindset about mistakes. You'll feel more confident, and you'll actually want to practice speaking, even if you mess up sometimes.
So, let's jump in.
Okay, so first question. Max, why do people hate making mistakes so much?
Great question. I think it's because we connect mistakes with embarrassment, with looking bad in front of other people. Nobody wants to feel stupid, right?
Right. Especially when you're speaking a new language. You feel like everyone is watching you, judging you.
Exactly. But here's something interesting. When babies learn to talk, they make mistakes all the time. They say funny things. They say, "I goed to the park," instead of "I went to the park." They say 2 foot instead of 2 feet. Do we laugh at them? Do we make them feel bad?
No, we think it's cute. We help them. We gently correct them. We encourage them.
Exactly. So why do we treat ourselves so differently when we're learning English? We should be kind to ourselves, just like we're kind to babies learning to talk.
I love that. So the first big idea here is be kind to yourself. Treat yourself like a learner, not like a failure.
Perfect. Write that down, everyone. I am a learner, not a failure.
Say it out loud. Go ahead. I am a learner, not a failure.
Good. Now let's talk about why mistakes are actually helpful.
Okay, Max, explain this. How does messing up actually help me get better?
All right, think about it like this. When you make a mistake, your brain wakes up. It pays attention. It says, "Oh, that didn't work. Let me remember this so I don't do it again."
So mistakes are like little alarms in your brain?
Exactly. If you never make mistakes, your brain stays lazy. It doesn't learn anything new. But when you make a mistake, boom, your brain learns. It grows. It gets stronger.
That makes so much sense. So when I said small chicken instead of small latte, my brain was actually learning?
Yes, your brain was like, "Okay, Lily, these words sound similar, but they mean totally different things. Let's remember this forever."
And I did. I'll never forget that now. Okay, so mistakes help our brains learn. Got it. But what about the embarrassment? That still feels bad.
True, embarrassment doesn't feel good. But here's the thing. Most people don't care about your mistakes as much as you think they do.
Really?
Really? Think about it. When someone speaks English with an accent or makes a small mistake, do you think they're stupid?
No, not at all. I think, wow, they're trying. Good for them.
Exactly. Most people think the same way. They respect you for trying. They admire your courage. And honestly, they probably don't even remember your mistake 5 minutes later.
That's so true. We worry so much, but other people forget it immediately.
Exactly. So stop worrying about what other people think. Focus on learning. Focus on improving.
Love it. Okay, so rule number 2. Most people don't care about your mistakes. They're too busy thinking about their own stuff.
Yes, everyone is the main character in their own life. They're not focused on you as much as you think.
All right, everyone. Pause for a second. We just talked about why mistakes are helpful and why you shouldn't be embarrassed. But here's the big question. Are you still avoiding speaking English because you're scared?
Yeah, be honest. When was the last time you actually spoke English out loud? Not just in your head, not just reading or listening, but actually speaking.
If it's been a while, that's okay. But stay with us, because in the next few minutes, we're going to give you a super simple strategy to start speaking without fear.
Even if you make mistakes, especially if you make mistakes.
Let's go.
Okay, so now we know mistakes are good, but how do we actually use them to get better?
Yes, because just making mistakes randomly isn't helpful, right? We need a plan.
Exactly. So here's the strategy. It's super simple, 3 steps. Step 1, speak. Just speak. Don't overthink it.
Okay, step 1, speak. Got it. What's step 2?
Step 2, notice your mistakes. When you make a mistake, don't ignore it. Don't feel bad about it. Just notice it. Say to yourself, "Oh, I said that wrong. Interesting."
Interesting. I like that word. Not bad, not stupid, just interesting.
Exactly. It's just information. It's your brain collecting data. And then, step 3, fix it and practice it.
So if I said, I go to the store, I noticed that mistake, and then I practice saying, I went to the store a few times?
Yes, repeat the correct version. Say it out loud. Maybe write it down. Make it stick in your brain.
Okay, so the 3 steps are speak, notice, and fix. That's still simple.
It is, but simple doesn't mean easy. You have to actually do it. You have to practice.
Right. You can't just think about it. You have to speak.
Exactly. So here's a challenge for everyone listening. After this episode, go speak English for 5 minutes. Talk to yourself. Talk to your pet. Talk to a friend. It doesn't matter. Just speak.
And when you make a mistake, smile. Say, oh, interesting. Let me try that again.
Yes, don't get frustrated. Just try again. That's how you improve.
Okay, Max, let's do a quick practice. Let's give everyone a chance to try this right now.
Great idea. All right, everyone, we're going to do a little role play. Imagine you're at a restaurant. You want to order food. Lily, you be the waiter. I'll be the customer.
Perfect. Okay, here we go. Hi, welcome to Lily's restaurant. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd like a burger, please, with fries.
Great choice. Anything to drink?
Yes, I'll have a water, please.
Perfect. Your order will be ready soon. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, that was simple, right? Now, everyone listening, it's your turn. Pause this video, go back, listen to that conversation again, and this time, you be the customer. Say the words out loud.
Yes, don't just listen, actually speak. Say, I'd like a burger, please. Say it, right now.
And if you mess up, that's okay. Just try again. Remember, speak, notice your mistakes, and fix them.
Good. Now let's do one more. This time, a little different. Lily, you be the customer, I'll be the waiter.
Okay. Excuse me, can I have the menu, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any vegetarian options?
Yes, we have a vegetable pasta and a salad.
Perfect. I'll take the pasta, please.
Great. Anything to drink?
Just water, please.
Coming right up.
Okay, your turn again, everyone. Be the customer. Say those sentences out loud. Practice asking for the menu. Practice ordering. Use your voice.
And remember, even if you make a mistake, you're learning. You're getting better. Every single word you say makes you stronger.
Okay, Max, let's share some more funny mistake stories. I think people love these because they make them feel less alone.
Oh, I've got a good one. So when I first started learning Spanish, I was in Mexico, and I wanted to say, I'm embarrassed, which in Spanish is estoy embarazado. But I instead said, estoy embarazado, which means I'm pregnant.
No! You told people you were pregnant?
Yes, a whole group of people. And they looked so confused because I'm obviously a man. But you know what? They laughed, I laughed, and I never made that mistake again.
That's amazing. Okay, I've got another one. A friend of mine was learning English. She wanted to say, I'm so full after a big meal. But she said, I'm so fool, like I'm so foolish.
Oh no.
Yeah, but everyone understood what she meant, and they helped her. They said, you mean full, like your stomach is full? And she said, yes, full, not fool, and we all laughed together.
See, that's the thing. Mistakes are funny. They're human. They connect us. They don't separate us.
Exactly. And every single one of those mistakes taught us something. We remember them, we learned from them.
So embrace your mistakes, everyone. They're part of the journey. They're proof that you're trying, and trying is the most important thing.
All right, we've covered a lot today. Let's do a quick recap. Max, what's the first big lesson?
Lesson 1. Be kind to yourself. You are a learner, not a failure. Treat yourself with patience and respect.
Yes. Lesson 2. Mistakes help your brain learn. Every mistake is your brain getting stronger and smarter.
Lesson 3. Most people don't care about your mistakes. They admire your courage. So stop worrying about judgment.
Lesson 4. Use the 3-step strategy. Speak, notice your mistakes, and fix them. Then practice the correct version.
And lesson 5. Practice out loud. Don't just think. Don't just listen. Actually speak. Use your voice.
Beautiful. Those are your 5 big takeaways. Write them down, remember them, live them.
And hey, before we finish, stay with us for one more minute because we've got a bonus tip that's going to change how you practice English every single day.
This is a good one. Don't leave yet.
Okay, here's the bonus tip. Ready?
Ready?
Talk to yourself in English every day, even just for 5 minutes. Describe what you're doing. Say, I'm making coffee. I'm putting on my shoes. I'm walking to the store.
Oh, I love this. It's like narrating your own life.
Exactly. And here's why it works. When you talk to yourself, there's no pressure, no judgment, no audience. It's just you and your brain practicing.
So you can make all the mistakes you want, notice them, and fix them without any embarrassment.
Yes, it's the safest way to practice, and it works. I do this all the time.
Me too. Sometimes I pretend I'm a cooking show host. And now Lily is chopping the onions. Beautiful technique.
I love that. So everyone, try this today. Narrate your life in English. Just 5 minutes. See how it feels.
And remember, mistakes are part of the process. They're your friends. They're helping you grow.
All right, everyone, that's it for today's episode. We hope you feel more confident now. We hope you're ready to go out and speak English without fear.
Remember, every mistake is a step forward. Every word you say makes you better. You're doing amazing.
And we want to hear from you. Go down to the comments and tell us what's one mistake you made in English that taught you something. Share your story. We want to read it.
Yes, and maybe your story will help someone else feel less alone. Let's build a community of brave English learners together.
Also, if you enjoyed this episode, hit that like button, subscribe to Mr. Englishman, and share this video with a friend who's learning English. Let's help each other grow.
And if you want more lessons like this, we've got tons of videos on our channel. We cover everything from pronunciation to grammar to real-life conversations.
Next time, we're going to talk about something super useful, how to sound polite in English without being too formal. You don't want to miss that one.
Ooh, yes, that's going to be so helpful. So make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications.
All right, everyone, thank you so much for listening. Keep practicing, keep making mistakes, and keep growing.
We believe in you. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.